Hi! In this video, I will show you how to change the domain name in your WordPress site. So as of right now, the domain that I have is htwstore.wordpress.com. If you want to change it, what you can do is you can head over right here to your settings. Then click on this general option. From there, you can see your general settings, and we have in here our site address. If you want to click on this add custom address right here, wherein it will ask you to search for a domain and buy one. So for example, let's change it into store for you and then search for it. And then it should be able to show us in here some domains that we can buy. You can use in here .blog, .com, .charity, .store. So just head over and just choose which one you want to use. For example, let's head over and choose in here .online. Click on select right here. And then after that, it will prompt you to add into your email address. It will have this store for you that's online. And then also input in your password and then purchase it and then pay for it right here. So that's how you change the domain name in your WordPress site. Hope we helped.